Good morning student. How are you? I hope all will be well. Do you know student, our book has completed all chapter. We have done all chapter, okay, in online classes. So now we will practice of number chapter. Now we will start reading and writing numbers up to 9999. Yes student, we have done numbers up to 1000. Yes, now today we are going to start counting 1001. Okay, so let's start first. Student, like this, do you know about how many digit 1000 have? 4. Do you know how many digit 1000 have? 4. ये 4 digit 1000 है होगा. Okay, so now we are going to start counting 1001 1001. Yes, 1001. Okay, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009 and 1010. Okay, now 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019 and 1020. Next 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029 and 1030. Okay, 1031, 32, 1033, 1034, 1035, 1036, 1037, 1038, 1039 and 1040. Okay, 1041, 42, 43, 1045, 1046, 1047, 40, 44, 45, 6, 47, 1048, 1049 and 1050. 1051, 1052, 1053, 1054, 1055, 1056, 1057, 1058, 1059 and 1060. Okay, 1061, 1062, 63, 1064, 1065, 1066, 1067, 1068, 1069, 1070. 1071, 1072, 1073, 1074, 1075, 1076, 1077, 1078, 1079 and 1080. Okay, 1081, 1082, 83, 1084, 1085, 1086, 87, 1088, 1089, 1090. Okay. 1091, 1092, 1093, 4, 1095, 1096, 1097, 1098, 1099. अब ये हो गया 1100. ओके 1100. यस बेटा. Now listen me carefully. Do you know about 1000 have 4 number? Okay. So first of all I am telling about 0 is ones place. Okay. Second 0 is tens place. Third 0 is 100 place. And 1 is your 1000 place. Okay. So keep things in your mind. How many digit 1000 have? 4. Okay. And this is your 4 digit smallest number. 4 digit smallest number. What is your 4 digit smallest number is 1000. 4 digit smallest number is 1000. Okay. ये आपका smallest number हो गया. Smallest 4 digit smallest number. Okay. अब now listen. 4 digit smallest number. Okay. क्या होता है बेटा 1000. अब now 4 digit greatest number क्या होता है बेटा 9999. 9999. तो 4 डिजिट का स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या होता है 1000 एंड ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर क्या होता है 9999. सो बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you are to do all counting. Listen, 101 to 1100 you are to write in your notebook. Okay. So do you know about what's come after 101? 102. What's come after 100? What's come after 1001? 1002. What's come after 1006? 1007. What's come after 1009? 1010. Okay. What's come after 1010? 1011. Okay. What's come after 1018? 1019. Or what's come after 1019? 20. Okay. What's come after 1020? 21. What's come after 1029? 30. Okay. What's come after 1030? 1031. Or what's come after 1039? 1040. Okay. What's come after 1040? 1041. What's come after 1049? 1050. Okay. What's come after 1050? 1051. What's come after 1059? 1060. So same as it is beta, you have to learn after also. Okay. And you have to read this counting 1001 to 1100. Okay. Rest number I will tell to you in our next video. So beta first of all we are talking about 4 digit number. Okay. 4 digit number. We are talking about 4 digit number. Okay. 4 digits number. Yes, listen. All student, you have to learn and write also counting 101 up to 1100. Okay. Now 1001 to 1100. You have to learn counting. Yes beta, we are talking about, suppose I have taken example of that. Okay. First of all, you have to write. Now, do you know? First of all, you will read 1101. 1101. Do you know what is the place of 1? Yes, we will write here ones. Okay, we will write here ones. Okay, who will tell to me what is the place of 0? Tens. What is the place of 0? Tens. So we will write T. And what is the place of 1? This one's place of 100. And what is the place of that one? This is your 1000. Okay, this. Now I am telling about face value and place value. Listen. Face value and place value. Place value. Now we are talking about place value and face value. Okay. So listen. Yes, beta. In our previous lecture, I told to you about face value and place value also while solving chapter 1. Yes. Now today I am telling again what is the face value of 1. I told you about beta face we can't change. हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते फेस को, सबको पता है. तो फेस वैल्यू ऑलवेज लुक सेम, वो हमेशा सेम ही दिखती है. ओके, तो नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 1. यस, व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज 1 सी होगा. व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज 1. ओके, व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 0 इज 0. एंड व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1? 1. एंड व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 1 इज 1. ओके, clear? अब now I am telling about place value. Now do you know what is the place value of 1? Yes. Now 1, okay, multiply by 1 is equal to 1. Place value क्या होगी 1 की? 1 ही होगी. Okay, clear? And next is beta, what is the place value of 0? तो do you know about 0 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. Okay, 0 से 0 ही होगी. Now next, what is the place value of this one? इस 1 की बतानी है आपको. तो 1 multiply by 100 दिस वाले, तो क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास? Yes, 100. Okay, this one. And what is the place value of this one? तो name right is 1 multiply by 1000. तो now is your 1000. Clear place value? Okay, now place value. फिर again I am taking one example more. I am taking one example. Suppose I am taking here 1283. Okay, same. Yeah, right. I am taking 1243. Okay, same as it is. First you will write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Again now place value of 4, place value of 2, place value of 1. Do you know what is the place of 3? 3, because we don't change place value. हम place value change नहीं करते. Okay, now place value of 4 is 4, place value of 2 is 2 and place value of 1 is 1. 1 always. Okay, same होती है place value, same होती है face value. Okay, फिर again I am telling about what is the face value of 3? 3. What is the face value of 4? 4. What is the face value of 2? 2. And what is the face value of 1? 1. Now here we will write place value. So place value, do you know? 3. 3. What is the place value of 3? Now 3 is your digit and 3 sit on 1's place. So now we will multiply by 1. So 3 1 जा 3. What is the place value of 3? Place value 3 की क्या होगी? 3 होगी. Next, what is the place value of 4? 4 is sitting on 10's place. 4 किस में बैठा है बेटा? 10's place. Now we will multiply by 10. So now you will get 40. What is the place value of 4? 40. Okay. Next, what is the place value of 2? Now 2 in which place sitting? 2 is sitting on 100 place. So now we will say 200. Okay. What is the place value of 2? 200. Got it? And next one is place value of 1. Now 1 is sitting on 1000 place. So now we will multiply by 1000 and you will get 1000. So this is your place value. Okay. that is your face value and this your place value. Clear? You can write that type place value and you can write that type also. 3 ones, 4 tens, 500. Okay, and next 1000. You can write that type also. Clear? Okay. 3 on ones place, 4 on tens place, 5 on hundred place and 1 on thousand place. Clear? Now beta listen, today we have discussed about counting 1000, 1 to 1100, and today we have discussed about 4 digit smallest number. I told you about 1000 and 4 digit greatest number 9999, and we have discussed about face value and place value. What is the difference both place value and face value? Okay, now listen, face value we don't change, हम change नहीं करते, and place value we multiply by like this. If we are talking about ones number, तो we will multiply by ones. If we are talking about tens number, तो we will multiply by tens. If we are talking about hundred number, तो we will multiply by hundred. If we are talking about thousand place, so we will multiply by thousand. Okay, that is the difference between face value and place value. Okay, and next topic we will read in our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.